Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. Our specialized testing services focus on N747-1 to 2012 plus A1 to 2015, the globally recognized standard for bunk beds and high beds. Safety matters. For manufacturers and consumers, compliance with this standard ensures products are safe, durable, and meet regulatory requirements. Our EN 747-1 testing evaluates structural integrity, stability, and durability to ensure products are robust and reliable. Dynamic load testing is performed to simulate real-world stresses on bunk bed components, guaranteeing their strength under normal use. We conduct impact testing to assess how beds withstand sudden forces, ensuring durability in everyday scenarios. Our tests verify compliance with guardrail height and spacing requirements. Stability tests ensure that the bed stays secure, even under uneven loads or movement. Materials and finishes are inspected to ensure they're free from harmful substances and resistant to wear and tear. Upon completion, we provide detailed reports and certification, enabling manufacturers to confidently market their products worldwide. Partnering with CDG Inspection means gaining a competitive edge through unparalleled testing accuracy and fast turnaround times. With our extensive network, we offer services to clients worldwide, ensuring your products meet international standards. Visit us at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in testing and certification services. Let's build a safer world together. CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in testing and certification services. Let's build a safer world together.